Hello, everyone. This is Linda, and welcome to Lingo Cafe, where you can listen, relax, and learn English. Today, we'll talk about daily life. You will hear simple sentences in English and learn how to talk about your own routine. So grab your coffee or tea, and let's begin. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. Sometimes I stay in bed for 5 more minutes. Then I open the curtains and say, "Good morning, world." I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I make a cup of coffee and prepare breakfast. I like eggs and toast for breakfast. Sometimes I eat fruit or yogurt. Then I take a quick shower and get dressed. I'm ready to start my day. I work from home. I start my work at 9 o'clock. First, I check my emails. Then I make a to-do list. If you are a student, you can say, I start school at 8 o'clock. I study English and math. At 12 o'clock, I have lunch. I usually eat rice, salad, or soup. After lunch, I take a short walk. It helps me feel fresh and happy. In the evening, I cook dinner and watch a TV show or listen to music. Sometimes I read a book before bed. I usually go to sleep around 11 o'clock. That's my normal day. What about you? What time do you wake up? What do you do in the morning? I think that's all for today. Thank you for listening to Lingo Cafe. If you enjoyed this podcast, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you next time. Bye-bye.